we want to exploit as much as we can of data and metadata of manufacturing processes. There are a lot of data available in the processes, the material, destructive testing, and all of this, they don't come together, they are not synchronized, and they are used maybe by only one person. What we want to do, we want to put together all this data, make it smart, create a digital twin that can improve the product, the processes, and then help the engineers to decide what to change and how to improve the processes. The project started in January 2023 and runs for 3 years. We are now starting the second year of the project, and we are starting seeing a lot of interaction between the consortium. There are partners who provide data, there are partners who provide use cases. We are focusing on welding and casting. So these metal processes generate a lot of data. And with this data, we want to understand what we can improve. We want to put together all this data in a digital twin based on a physics-based model, AI, machine learning, and all this will create a digital twin that then an engineer can use to improve product and processes. In this project, the main applications are casting and welding. So for the casting, it's really important to know, for example, the porosity of the casted parts, and there are not many ways to get a lot of data that represents this porosity. So what we try to do is to get all the information together to understand then how to set the parameters of the processes to improve the casting. For the welding, it's a similar case. There are a lot of thermal hotspots where things can go wrong. We want to understand, with all data available, what we can do to improve these processes.
In this use case welding, we try to improve the welding process in our company at the production line. The welding is the main part in our production. We collect all kind of data from the different systems, like current from the power sources of the welding systems, the movement and speed of the robots, and the results of the visual data inspection from the optical inspection systems from Vitronic. In the project, we will bring all this data together with the data fusion. We synchronize them, we analyze the data and get prediction of the quality of the weld seams, so that we can change the parameters to improve the weld seam of the next part. We want to establish a feedback loop to improve the process by optimizing the parameters. Then we have early statements about the quality. We can react faster, we can improve the weld seam and reduce rework, improve inspection quality, and reduce the pseudo failures during the inspection. With the Metafacturing project, we hope to reduce and avoid the destructive tests in our lines. In the end, we improve the quality, reduce the scrap, and increase the productivity in our production lines.
In Metafacturing projects, our use case is focusing on gathering the data from the machines, the parameters, the quality the machine parameters, process parameters, and quality parameters. And we, in this project, will try to get added value to our data.
We at LKR or AIT, we have some semi-industrial facilities that enable us to produce parts with process data that is used in industrial environments as well, without clogging the industrial, let's say, production or production capacity.
Together with LKR, we'll actually align all the parameters, because the lab scale is a lot different than the production scale. The goal of this project, with collaboration with other partners, is to get the model which can predict the quality issues in advance and can help our workers in production to do some maintenance, or maybe to quickly find the problem in the production process.
The Metafacturing project is a key project, an interesting project to AIT LKR because it is highly related to automotive with the parts from LTH, and this sector is one of the main sectors of our company and unit.
Altogether, we are 13 partners from 5 countries in Europe. If you want to know more about our project, feel free to visit our webpage or our social accounts.